If you're considering TouchPoint church management software, here are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. TouchPoint offers a robust platform, but how does it stack up against its competitors? Let's dive in and see if it's the right choice for your church management needs. First thing you need to know is that TouchPoint Church Management is known for its flexibility. It's customizable, meaning it can be tailored to fit your church's specific needs. Unlike some competitors like Planning Center, which offer more rigid systems, TouchPoint gives you the freedom to adjust everything from user roles to workflows. The second thing to consider is the user interface. TouchPoint's design is clean, but it's not as intuitive as some other platforms like Breeze. While it's not hard to use, it may take a little time for new users to get comfortable with the system. If you prefer something that's truly beginner-friendly, this might be a factor to keep in mind. Next thing, TouchPoint integrates well with other tools. It syncs with a variety of systems like QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and others. While its integrations are solid, some competitors, like Rock RMS, offer even more powerful integrations, especially for churches with complex needs. So if your church uses a lot of external tools, you may want to explore these other options too. The fourth thing to know is that TouchPoint excels in event management. It allows you to schedule, track, and manage events easily. This feature stands out compared to software like ChurchTrack, which has a less flexible approach to event planning. If your church organizes frequent events, TouchPoint's event management tools are a strong selling point. When it comes to member management, the fifth thing to note is TouchPoint's comprehensive features. You can track attendance, contributions, and even send communications to members directly through the platform. While other platforms like Realm provide similar features, TouchPoint has a slightly more advanced approach with its detailed reporting and analytics. The sixth thing is the online giving system. TouchPoint offers online giving options, including mobile giving, which can be an important feature for churches today. However, when compared to platforms like Planning Center Giving, TouchPoint's online giving features are a bit more basic and don't offer as many payment options. It's a good starting point, but if online giving is a major priority for you, it's worth looking at other platforms too. Next, TouchPoint offers mobile apps for both church leaders and members. The apps work well, but they're not as feature-rich as some competitors, like Church Community Builder. If having a mobile app with all the bells and whistles is a must-have for your church, you might find TouchPoint's app a bit lacking. Now the eighth thing, customer support. TouchPoint provides decent support with both email and phone options. However, it doesn't have the same 24/7 support availability that some other platforms like Rock RMS offer. If your church operates outside of regular business hours, this might be an important factor to consider. The ninth thing to know is about the pricing structure. TouchPoint uses a subscription-based model with pricing based on the number of members in your church. While it's affordable for smaller churches, it can get more expensive as your church grows. Competitors like Breeze offer flat-rate pricing, which can be a more predictable cost for larger churches. The 10th thing is the learning curve. TouchPoint's platform isn't the easiest to master right away. While it offers extensive training and resources, other platforms like ChurchTrack are simpler to pick up quickly. If you're looking for a solution that's easy for your staff to adopt with minimal training, TouchPoint might require more effort upfront. Next up is the reports and analytics capabilities. TouchPoint excels here with robust reporting options, which can be a game changer for church leaders looking to track giving patterns, event participation, and more. If data-driven decisions are important to your church, you'll appreciate this feature. However, platforms like Realm offer even more advanced analytics tools. The 12th and final thing to consider is the scalability. TouchPoint is scalable and can grow with your church. As your needs evolve, the software is designed to expand with you. However, for churches that expect rapid growth or have specific needs, platforms like Rock RMS might offer more flexibility in scaling. Overall, TouchPoint Church Management is a solid option, especially for churches that value customization and a wide range of features. However, if you're looking for a platform with a smoother user experience, more integrations, and better mobile support, there might be better options available. If you want to explore alternatives that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution.